Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stake on crypto.com exchange. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead first, open up your particular crypto.com app, make sure you're signed in. From the home section, switch to your option of accounts, and from over here go ahead, tap on this option of crypto earn, where you will be able to stake your cryptos. Now once you're over here, simply go ahead, check out the details. You can see available cryptocurrencies are listed right in the bottom, plus you can see how much you can earn up to once you're done the staking. Now afterwards, once you checked out the details, go ahead, tap on this arrow icon, aka go back, and from over here go ahead, tap on this option of plus, and now select your currency which you would like to stake. Once you're done, now go ahead, you have to choose a select term. Can be flexible, 1 month term, 3 month term. Make sure to study it thoroughly so you can know the difference between and get the more beneficial one for you. Once you have chosen, tap on continue in the bottom. Now another terms and condition notification gonna pop up. Go ahead and tap on I understand in both of the boxes and tap on continue again. Now for example, we have chosen a crypto and the flexible plan. You're gonna simply get your total of Shiba Inu amount that you have available. Go ahead, add them all, and then once you have confirmed that, this is how next interface gonna pop up. You're gonna find the amount on top, term, APR, method, and total cost as well. Tap on confirm in the bottom, and there you go, your crypto earn deposit is completed. You have successfully staked. Now you can go back and check out how much you will earn within the time you have added, and that is it. This is how simple it is. I'm sure to follow the steps accordingly and you're good to go. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for next video.